Hi guys, today I'm going to do this unboxing video of the flood sensor from Fibaro system. As you can see, this is the packaging. Flood sensor. And now I'm going to cut away the packaging. This aside, open up the box. You can see this flood sensor from the Fibaro system. And here, see here was the specs. And we open up this phone, we're going to see three types of manuals. This is the English manual. Here we have this other languages manual. So we're going to open up this English manual. You can see here is a Fibaro flood sensor, G-Wave compatible, which included flood and temperature sensor. Here we show the basic activation of the device, where you can open up the cover. So that's roughly the manual. And here we have this the flood sensor. And here is the water sensor. That's the other piece supposed to contact with the water. So how do we open up this box? What I'm gonna do, I'm going to turn this clockwise to open up, and here we have the exposed portion of the flood sensor, and here we have the battery. And here we have this switch. As you can hear, the switch for the inclusion. And here we have a few of the terminal which can connect to external device to trigger this alarm. Even a 12 volt ground, sensor 1, sensor 2. And here we have this inclusion button. And that's pretty much the unboxing video of this of this flood sensor from Fibaro system. Stay tuned on our video on how do we include this device into our network and how do we trigger the flood sensor to send the alarm to our G-Wave network and the GUI. Thank you and stay tuned.